So me and Zachary are getting a divorce. He thinks I ordered too much stuff. This one is actually worth it, right? I'm gonna try to sell him on this product. We have all these attachments, many different ones. This is the one I usually use, and it's filthy because Zachary just used it. Ain't it hard? Try it.
Yeah. It's pretty stout.
Okay. Put that there. Chick-fil-A fries.
Made out of apples, y'all.
Waffleness.
Yeah.
That's pretty cool.
Really.
Dang, that's fast.
Yeah, it's pretty sweet.
I should have put a bowl.
You should have.
Dang. Can't tell me that ain't good.
It's pretty sweet.
Do you think the banana's gonna get all smushy?
Yes.
I know it's dirty, but this is just a trial run. Look at that.
You can freeze those too.
You can, like little
Snacks.
snacks
freeze,
for the hot summer.
Like freeze dry.
Think it's worth it? Are you just saying that, or are you for real?
No, for real. I didn't think it was gonna work. I thought it was gonna be a piece of crap.
Thank you.